Hi, my name is Dean Carlson, Senior Product Manager here at Magnet. And today I'm going to tell you about our latest feature in Axiom Cyber, which is shared agents. Now, before I tell you exactly about this feature, I want to talk about some of the challenges we've heard from you, customers, and how we wanted to develop around those challenges and provide you with a great solution. So one of the things that we've heard is that Axiom Cyber can be a bit of a challenge when you have multiple Axiom Cyber instances in your lab. And because deployed agents are unique for every Axiom Cyber instance, there is a bit of a challenge for the management overhead, making sure that you have the right agent deployed to the right machine. And that's a bit of a headache. We've also heard that, some security exceptions and whitelisting add complexity to your deployment workflows. We understand that not all of you are on the same team as your security folks, and even if you are, it still can be a bit of a hassle making sure that you have 5 different unique agents that are whitelisted and have exceptions. So we wanted to address all of these challenges and risks that you've encountered. And of course, another issue that we've heard is that when 2 Axiom Cyber instances try to deploy an agent to the same machine, well, you get in a bit of a car wreck. So we've taken all of this feedback together, and today we're introducing our latest feature, which is the shared agent process. And now, what this is going to allow you to do is use the same agent for each of your Axiom Cyber instances, so you can access those endpoints without deploying a different agent. So what that means is that this single agent will call back to each of your individual Axiom Cyber machines in what we call a round robin fashion. Now, of course, this isn't new technology, but it's something that we know that we can leverage inside of our agent to provide you with immense value and to get rid of all those headaches we just talked about. Now, I want to give you a brief overview of setting this up. We're not going to go into those details, but we do have some blogs and we do have some online KB articles that are going to help you through this process. So the first thing you want to keep in mind is that you'll need to configure your Axiom Cyber instances once to use that same agent. And once you have all of those Axiom Cyber machines configured, you're off to the races, and it's something you only need to do once. Those agents will automatically update down the road. Another thing that you want to make sure you're prepared for is having a unique trusted certificate in your root certificate store. And this will need to be the same certificate on every single one of your Axiom Cyber machines. Now, if you're not familiar with this process, you'll want to start talking to your local IT folks or web admins to make sure that you have a unique certificate. And if you don't have one, we also have a KB article that we've written that can walk you through that process, so you'll be off to the races really soon. And finally, you're going to be leveraging the agent placeholders feature to provide endpoint access. We don't want your colleagues populating and over messing up your agent management dashboard. So you use that agent placeholders to make sure that you're seeing the endpoints that you need to get access to. Now keep in mind, this feature is something you'll be able to leverage against all of the other fantastic enhancements we've released with Axiom Cyber. And that includes queued collections, targeted profiles, and even our volatile artifacts. So we look forward to hearing how you use the shared agent feature in Axiom Cyber moving forward and how you can accelerate your workflows.